What? Veg biryani?
How did you get to know, Bruno?
Arey, I just smelled.
Okay, let's play. Let's keep guessing.
Oh, chicken manchuria.
Yeah, bro. How do you get to know?
Yes. Paneer tikka.
Yep, bro. No, now you do. Yeah, you do. I want to guess yours. Chicken tikka?
Yes.
Oh, come on, bro.
Yeah.
Work with us.
Yes.
Vegetarian multiple.
Waiter? Yeah.
Yep. Oh, hi, bro. You know what? Today I ate so much. So I'm feeling very heavy today. That much only? No, bro. Actually, it's usually more like, oh, that's more like it.
I'm trained for this. Yeah. So let's do shot on target. I need one big superstar. Where can I find it? Wait, I have found it one new superstar.
How it shape was, sir?
Continue. Let's force this on you.